Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the Diagnostics and Feedback privacy settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Privacy and Security button at the left side of the screen to show the privacy and security settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Diagnostics and Feedback button to the right to show the Diagnostics and Feedback privacy settings at the right side of the Settings app window. To enable or disable sending optional diagnostic data in addition to the required diagnostic data to Microsoft, click the Send Optional Data Setting button's toggle switch under the Expanded Diagnostic Data Setting button to toggle it to the on or off position as desired. If you enable sending optional diagnostic data, to then enable or disable sending optional inking and typing data, click the Improve Inking and Typing Setting button to expand it. Then click the Improve the Language Recognition and Suggestion capabilities of Microsoft apps and services by sending optional inking and typing diagnostic data to Microsoft Setting button's toggle switch to either the on or off position as desired. To enable or disable Microsoft Tailored Experiences, which lets Microsoft use your diagnostic data for personalized tips, ads, and recommendations, click the Tailored Experiences Setting button to expand it. Then click the Let Microsoft Use Your Diagnostic Data, excluding info about websites you browse, to enhance your product experiences with personalized tips, ads, and recommendations settings toggle switch button to set it to the on or off position as desired. To view your diagnostic data in Windows 11, click the View Diagnostic Data Settings button to expand it. To then enable or disable the Diagnostic Data Viewer, which uses up to 1 gig of hard drive space, click the Turn on the Diagnostic Data Viewer uses up to 1 gigabyte of hard drive space setting button's toggle switch to set it to the on or off position as desired. When enabled, to then view your data in the Diagnostic Data Viewer, click the Open Diagnostic Data Viewer button in the View My Data in the Diagnostic Data Viewer setting button. To delete your diagnostic data in Windows 11, click the Delete Diagnostic Data button to expand it. Then click the Delete button in the Once you delete your data here, we start removing copies from our system. If you have a Microsoft account, you might have additional diagnostic data you can delete on the Privacy Dashboard Setting button. To set the feedback frequency in Windows 11, select the desired feedback prompt frequency from the Feedback Frequency Setting button's dropdown. You can click the links in the Privacy Resources Setting button to open the respective privacy web pages if desired. You can then close those pages when finished. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.